In a forest filled with tall trees and winding rivers, there lived four friends, a crow, a mouse, a tortoise, and a deer. They were the best of friends and did everything together. The crow was clever, the mouse was quick, the tortoise was wise, and the deer was kind. They lived in harmony, helping each other and having fun. One summer, a severe drought hit the forest, and all the animals struggled to find food and water. The four friends decided to work together to find a solution. They knew that if they combined their unique skills, they could overcome any challenge. The crow, being the clever one, had an idea. He suggested that they search for a new source of water together. The mouse, with his quick thinking, offered to scout ahead and find the best path. The tortoise, with his wisdom, advised them to move slowly and carefully, while the deer, with his kindness, offered to carry the others on his back if needed. And so, the four friends set off on their journey, determined to find a new source of water. They traveled through the forest, over hills and across rivers, working together and using their unique skills to overcome obstacles. As they journeyed on, they came across a fast-flowing river that blocked their path. The mouse, with his quick thinking, suggested that they use a nearby log to cross the river. The tortoise, with his wisdom, cautioned them to test the log first, while the deer, with his kindness, offered to help the others across. With the mouse's plan, they carefully crossed the river, using the log as a makeshift bridge. The crow flew overhead, keeping watch for any dangers, while the tortoise and the deer helped the others across, one by one. After crossing the river, they discovered a hidden oasis filled with lush green trees, sparkling water, and juicy fruits. The four friends were overjoyed and thanked each other for their teamwork and unity. The four friends celebrated their discovery, feasting on the fruits and drinking from the pool. They laughed and played, grateful for their friendship and the adventure they shared. After their celebration, the four friends decided to return to their forest home, but this time, they were not alone. They brought back seeds and plants from the oasis to share with their fellow animals and help them thrive. With the seeds and plants they brought back, the four friends helped revive their forest home. The animals worked together, planting and nurturing the new growth, and soon the forest was teeming with life once more. The four friends learned a valuable lesson that day, that when they worked together and used their unique skills, they could overcome any challenge and achieve great things. They realized that unity and teamwork were the keys to success. And so, the story of the four friends teaches us that united we stand, divided we fall. When we work together, using our unique skills and strengths, we can achieve great things and overcome any obstacle. Remember, teamwork and unity are the keys to success, and with them, we can accomplish anything we set our minds to.